Okay, guys. So let me first start with the Bank Nifty. Okay. So let me first go to 1 hour time frame and let me start with price action. Then definitely I will come to PAM. So here, Bank Nifty, obviously, I'm not in the sale side so far, like continuously, trying to go with the buy positions in Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty, there is a clear head and shoulder pattern we can see on the Bank Nifty. Almost 1500 point head and shoulder is there in the Bank Nifty, and already what it did, it given a breakout and retest already did, right? So if you measure this length will almost 1500 point, so we can expect from here to 1500 point momentum, like up to there, means 44,000 level, right? 44,000, uh what it's coming, 44,415, so we can expect almost 44,500 levels very soon in the future itself. So that's why, whenever it's coming down, I'm not trying to short it. Those who are trying to go sale side, either in the future contract, or they are trying to short it using put options, they definitely did losses, right? So try to buy as much as possible until the Bank Nifty is not trading below 41,500 level, till you are safe as a buyer, right? So let's see, and chances are very high it will give a strong breakout, because if you go to the daily time frame, I will show you here. So here is a pattern is very much clear. Market is trading here inside day. This was an inside day for market, and again one more inside day created, and market almost trying to give breakout in the upper side. So chances are very high it will create a big bullish candle in the upside as well. Here also same scenario happened. You can see market was continuously falling here, and it created two inside candle and given breakout downside, and a strong 2-3 days continuous selling we had seen. Similarly, continuous buying we are seeing. And what is this big candle on 26th December is suggesting? It's suggesting a strong participation from an DII and FII, because this big candle nobody else can make. You see here, none of the candle is big like this, right? So as per my understanding, that 41,500 is going to act as a very strong support even in future as well, right? From 2023 onward, right? So we will I think we will see Bank Nifty always above this support, because this is going to act as a very good support, because this was every time I was saying that time, this is a monthly resistance. Bank Nifty broken, and if it has to go up, it will definitely come and do retest, and this retest was very strong, very very strong retest, right? That's why the market is going up. So the things are positive as of now. So I'm coming to 1 hour chart. So I'm bullish overall. If you see, market is following this trend line and trying to give a breakout of this level. So let's see, I was expecting this breakout to occur today itself, but today it was kind of again consolidated market. But overall, the market was good today also. But this moment which is pending today, I hope it will come tomorrow, no doubt. I think in one go we can see almost 600 point momentum very easily, because from here onward the market was falling. So this 44,000 level will act as a strong resistance. Definitely those who had taken call option or long on Bank Nifty futures, they must book some sort of profit at this level, because you can't guarantee it will go above this. So this is a good point to book profit. Almost you had taken entry and on this retest, so almost 1200 point, it's almost partial profit you can book, right? So this is the analysis. And today if I will talk about a 5 minute chart, I will show you. Okay, so this is 5 minute chart for today. Okay, today how I took the trade, logic, I will tell you, logic was very, very simple. Bank Nifty was, trading on this trend line continuously. What it is doing, it's going up, again taking a pullback, again taking a pullback, and this is how it's, going upward, right? So you can see even yesterday it came to the same place, but that time this trend line was not available. But today, for this trading session, almost by 12:31, it came here, and when it, here was one selling candle created, so chances were like it will give breakdown to the downside. But when this bears, right, got trapped by this candles and market taken a pullback, I understood now, it's going to go up. So almost this 100 plus easy momentum on intraday we had captured, right? So this was intraday setup. If I talk about PAM advanced trading system, PAM already, given a buy call at this level. You can see almost on this candle like 42,790, PAM had given a buy call, and from there almost target one is also achieved. So you see from this level, you can see this level is also shown here. So from here to here, like almost 700 point we had achieved. Even similarly, PAM had given a sale call as well, here you see, and that was a very wonderful call. Almost 2000 point we had achieved in past as well, right? So PAM have very good accuracy. Even in past, you can see we got a buy call. I will show you. It will keep continuing the call if the market is respecting the call. Okay, you see here we got a buy call, this place. Okay, this place we got a buy call almost at 39,000 level. From 39,000 level, obviously all targets were achieved at that time, and from 39, the market came right now to 43. That time you see even 44 it hit it, right? Obviously, it's not possible everyone can hold that big trade, but yeah, you can see the accuracy right now live in front of you. Okay, super. Let me hide it now and let me jump to Nifty. So Nifty also, we had traded today Nifty as well. Nifty was very, very simple. Same pattern was occurring. It was taking support on the trend line. It was continuously taking support on the trend line. And here, it was, like a trend line breakout occur, yesterday, right? But it was, almost 3:30, so we can't take trade almost in the time of closing. But today market given a straightforward breakout from this level. Either you can take a trade at this point and enter in the trade, but what is the problem, I will tell you that time. Morning when the market opened, you see this candle, it came down, okay, and again when it given a breakout at this level, so that time my stop loss was coming somewhere around, you see, almost 40 point stop loss. Okay, so this moment I just waited, I just wanted to see if the market really has to go up, it will take a retest on trend line. So I was just waiting for the trend line to be retested. And unfortunately, when by 12:15, like approx this time, I was thinking, okay, I think I missed the move because the market was not coming. But at the same time, it created a rising wedge pattern at this place, and it continuously fallen and came to my level. When it was going down, I shorted here and book some profit in the put options. Okay, I just bought some put options here and quickly bought my profit because I was knowing this is a strong support for Bank Nifty. Sorry, a strong support for Nifty, because Nifty is continuously taking support at this price only, right? So I just booked my profit almost at this candle. When it is reaching this candle, almost here I booked, because chances were there it can show any time any sort of pullback. Like I was drawing a trend line like this, so at any time it can show a pullback like this, but it came down and retested the old trend line which had given a breakout. Then again I entered on this candle. Okay, when this inside candle was broken, at this candle I taken an entry again in the buy side, and I holded, and you can see it was a very, very easy 50 plus point momentum today. Okay, if you think if you see the PAM, so again PAM had given already a buy call at this place. Still the market is respecting this call so far. Okay, so let's see how the market will behave in upcoming days. But this is right now the situation I will show you. See here it given a sale call, and you can see this was before that it also given a buy call, but this was in stop loss, obviously, no doubt. But that stop loss was limited, and when we entered in a sale call, all the losses got covered. You see this was a extreme momentum we captured, and now we are in a buy call as per PAM as well. Okay, Now let's talk about crude oil. So guys, crude oil, is actually down on daily time frame. I will show you. See, so this is crude oil, and actually you can see it's very much clear. It's running in a downtrend. Market is protecting its high. It's not breaking high of, like this is the high. Market is not going above this high, right? So market is protecting the high. It's very much clear. Market is in downtrend, but the chart, right, it look like it's being ready for some sort of up move, maybe in future. Why? Because the market, you can see here, right, this was a weekly support for the market, because earlier the market was, continuously, see, these two levels are weekly support for the market. Okay, because market was continuously, taking resistance, then given a breakout, so this is going to act as a strong support, and similarly this is going to act as a strong support. So market is now moving towards its first support somewhere here around 6392. So right now, see, this is the trend line. It might possible it will, take, touch of this trend line, and again it will fall. But as per my experience, it look like, it's again come down, and it may give a breakout also. But I am not bullish right now in the crude oil. I will only be bullish when it closes above 6800 level. Means when these sellers, like today sellers were active in the crude oil, you can see sellers are active in the crude oil today. So those who sold today, they must have the stop loss here and here. These are the levels where the people have the stop loss, right? Because this is the level, you can see, this is the level which is acting as a support for earlier, now is acting as a resistance, these two levels. So as soon as the market will close above 6800 levels, like here, this people's will out of the game, this people will out of the game, right? So whoever has kept the stop loss up to here 6800 levels, when the market will reach, they will out of the game, and those who have stop loss up to 6800, 80 or 90, they will also, remove, or exit their positions from the market, right? So if this candle, market is now next day or in 1 2 days, market is closing above this candle, then definitely you have to plan on the buy side. Otherwise we will, continuously analyze. Right now the trend is bearish overall, but it look like some sort of w pattern might be, market might create. But again, it could be fake, because earlier it did the same, and it went up and again taken resistance and fallen. But already false breakout was, how many times it given a false breakout? One and two. So mostly when two times market gives a false breakout, chances are very high, market can, this time will not give a false breakout. Let's see how it will react. Now I will show you how PAM acted. For this more than 400 point we captured on the PAM, me and some of the students who trade on the crude oil, they had captured more than 400 plus point in the PAM, in the crude oil using PAM. Here you see, here we got when 6298 was there, we got a buy call, and sorry, then up to here almost you see 424, so almost 400 plus point easily you have achieved. An option, it could be somewhere depending on the type of option you take. If you are an option buyer, maybe 200 plus point. Okay, if you taken some good options, and that was a wonderful profit so far with the help of PAM, right? You will only make money when you hold a trade. You will never make money if you, try to do intraday and, exit, because these big moves only you will able to capture when you will hold a trade. Similarly, see, PAM also given a sale call here few days ago, and that was a wonderful trade as well. Again, you can see 480 point we had captured, right? So right now PAM is giving a buy call overall. Okay, and even, I'm bullish in this. When this breakout occur, definitely I will aggressively, try to buy crude oils that time. Okay, now talk about natural gas, guys. This guy is in sale, extreme sale. I will show you here. Okay, see, as I expected, in the last session also I told, when the natural gas is reaching 570 level, we should, be ready for selling. Why? Because there is a trend line coming on natural gas, and whenever it's coming to this trend line, is going for a sale. Okay, I also told chances are very high, it this time it will fall up to 495 and it will break this level, but it didn't happen. Whether what it did, it, break down this level. Okay, so overall here I told, we can expect a small sale, but this sale was more than expected overall. Okay, now you see, here is some important support for natural gas, which 475 was in strong support, which is already broken, and now one strong support is 355. Now already here you see almost at 328, this level we can see there is a trend line coming, and market already shown almost two touches at this point, and all expecting a third touch and bounce back from this level, because trend line support is there plus weekly support is there already. Okay, so market is running near weekly support, so anytime, okay, anytime the market can come and take some sort of pullback at this moment. Either it could be a pullback or it can give a breakout as well, we have to see. But definitely don't sell anymore. Okay, we have to plan buy trade when it will reaching 328 or 325 levels. We have to plan buy trade onward. Now what was the performance on PAM? More than 140 point we had captured on the PAM. I will show you all targets were achieved already. PAM had given a sale call at this point. Here you see we got a sale call. Okay. So when it was 510 level means this whole big move we had captured, and you see the continuous fall happened. Continuous. Okay, 1 second. Yeah. Okay, the continuous fall happened, and you see more than 182 it's showing, almost 140 point even I captured in this momentum, but now I exited my position. So that's why I'm telling, today itself when the market came to this level before this sessions, I exited my position because it was looking like some sort of head and shoulder formation for me. Like it was looking like some sort of head and shoulder and W formation for me. So for safe side I already exited from my position. Market opened here, and shown some bullishness, but I not close my position. But when it came down and again it was trying to go up and came down, then here I exited my position because I don't want to risk my profits anymore. But here I will plan definitely for some sort of buy trades. But at this time, if you are going to enter in a new trade, don't sell or buy. Just wait for here to bounce back the market, and let's see how it react. But don't sell anymore because market is oversold already. Now let me go to BTC on daily time frame, and I will show you what's going on in BTC. So guys, see, BTC, this see BTC is now, right now, already I told this is a no trading zone until BTC is not going to cross 18,700 level. So till that time don't try to trade BTC. Now to buy, not sell, nothing you do, because the market is not going anywhere. It's just consolidating. But what is my view? See, BTC is following this trend line. It's continuously coming and being sold off. So chances are high when it will come back again, it will show some sort of selling. But it might be a possibility it will go here, so some sort of, because this is now acting as a resistance, it can show some sort of selling and then it can give a breakout. I hope when it will give a breakout from this area of 18,700 800 levels, not only those sellers who are active at these points, that time their stop loss will go, also those sellers who shorted here their stop loss will also go. So when this level will be breakout, immediately market will reach to 21,000 level immediately. This 10 to 15% of move you will see. Obviously this 21,000 will act as a very strong resistance that time, I hope. So if this level is going to give a breakout, I will definitely book my profit somewhere around 20,800 to 20,850 level. Okay, so just keep this point in mind. So right now my recommendation is don't trade BTC, but keep your eyes how this is going to react against this scenario. Okay, if it is going to give a breakout above this levels, then only we will enter in a trade. Very simple, straightforward. I don't mess my chart unnecessarily. I try to make it as clean as possible. Professional traders don't mess a lot in the chart, don't put thousand of indicators. I only put those indicators which we really need, like an indicators which are developed by us, that only we use. Okay, unnecessary we don't use any other indicator. Okay, these are the we use few indicator just to confirm our trade, but major thing is price action. But those who are beginners, don't have much confidence, for them we provide PAM advanced trading system, and so that they can enter in a trade and they can overall enjoy the market. So here you can see like 18,000 was a level where actually we are coming to sale side. Here it given a sale side, obviously none of the target achieved. This call came, and it's a positional call. Obviously before that already some other positional call came. Here I will show you. See, okay, so this is a daily time frame. Obviously we follow 15-minute time frame. Okay, okay, so right now see a sale call is running currently, and almost first target is already achieved. So right now I'm not trading BTC, I'm just waiting for my level. Honestly, when these levels will be broken, then I will plan, because I need momentum. I can't trade this kind of sideways market, right? I really need momentum. Okay, so guys, you can see if you combine price action along with this spam, obviously if you're a beginner, you can or if you have do not have time to sit in front of system all the time, definitely PAM is the edge for you. Anytime when it's generating a signal, you can put the stop loss and put the targets, create a bracket order kind of thing in Indian market, and in foreign market also put your stop loss and limit order, and simply go and do your work, right? So it is tension free system. It it's a type of a system which try to make you enter at the earliest in the trend, and you will definitely enjoy the market. And this system is designed to capture big moves. You had seen, like, we always try to capture big moves in the market, so that we will multiply your profits, and it will also help you to sit in the market for long time for big profit, because here you will see target 2, target 3 will be showing, and entry and stop loss. So it will make your life very much simple. Okay, so this is all about the PAM. And also, if in January, those who want to enroll to our program, contact support at the rate priceactionmonk.com. Also some number is showing here, that is a WhatsApp number. You can directly contact me, and I will just let you know the program details if you have any queries. Okay, so enroll this and get access of PAM advanced trading system, plus the price action master course, where we will be teaching you each and every aspect of price action, how to take trade, and what are my personal setups I use in the real market. When PAM, let's say, generated a signal and you miss the signal, but still what you will do, if you only trade PAM, you have to wait for next signal. But I don't wait for next signal. I know price action, I simply use my setups and also take a trade in between also, right? So that I will teach you in the webinars as well. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give like to the video, and any query, reach out.